attracted to Zian Science Club. Did you know the first electric light was discovered in 1802 by Humphrey Davy? So let's start it next. So guys, do you know what this is? It's gold. And we must put it here. And guys, do you know what it is called? Silver. And we have gold again, which is my favorite. Silver again, and it's also my favorite color. We are making electricity lemon. Next, you do the next one. Gold. Silver. Yep. Gold. Silver. Next, we must attach these. But this solar one is from the red. And the shark one is very for the black one. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Let's use the other lights. Let's see what will happen if I do this but it's not attached. Oopsie. Okay, it's attached. Next, let's attach these red for gold. Red for gold. Let's twist it in. And stack it. Oopsie. So guys, I'm done. So now bring the camera close. Let me touch the lemon so they can be nicely. That's what the straw. Stick it out. Let's put it properly for the camera to start. Okay. But now let's do it. Wait for the camera to tell false. Now I change my name. Look how it is, bright and shiny. That's how you make electricity. Bye. Thank you. Subscribe, don't forget. Thank you. Subscribe, don't forget to give me lighting slides. Bye.